right, so you're going to take your hoop and lay it flat on the table. You're then going to take your piece of tulle that is folded in half. You're going to lay it underneath the wreath so you form a little loop. You're going to take this end of the tulle and put it through the loop you made, pull tight, and that is your first layer of tulle. So then you're going to take your next piece and do the same thing. You're going to take it, lay it flat underneath your wreath, take the two ends, loop it through, and pull tight. From there, you want to push the two pieces of tulle as close together so you don't see the wreath part underneath. You can make any pattern that you want with your tulle, and you're going to keep on doing that all the way around your wreath.